Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can enable your camera inside the Vivaldi web browser really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So doing this is super simple, guys, and you absolutely don't need any technical skills whatsoever. All you need to do is access the Vivaldi web browser, of course, on your PC or laptop. And what you want to do, guys, is access your browser settings from your home feed. You may do that by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner, or access these browser settings by choosing the shortcut Ctrl F12 on your keyboard. And here inside your browser settings, pay attention to that panel on the left hand side, and here you want to switch from general to privacy and security. Here inside your privacy and security browser settings, scroll down a bit till you get to the permissions sections. Here, website permissions. So you may enable website permissions, for example, or give specific websites, I don't know, like video editing websites like Canva, for example, the permission to access your camera if you'd like to record or upload videos using your webcam, for example. To do that, hover your mouse over camera here, click on that arrow down icon, and simply make sure that block is not enabled, so that, for example, ask is enabled, and whenever you visit the given website for the first time, the given website will ask you for permission to access and to use your camera. And from that moment on, this status here will change from ask to allow, like you see, for example, here. You may, of course, take that permission away anytime by simply switching from allow/ask to block, so that the given website will not have any access to your camera anymore. So that's, guys, that's how we do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.